I always could take two because I forgot to disconnect from my other headphones. So again, so there was news today at 6:30 as well as 7:45. So ideally 1 hour before 7:45 would be 6:45 and 15 minutes after 6:30 would be 6:45. So maybe like the only trade I would be taking was if it was like at 6:45, which didn't happen. So didn't take anything for that reason. So on the 4 hour on GBP/USD, we were bearish, closing below this low. 30-minute, ideally want to see London and Asian get taken out because London and Asian were really close to each other. Yeah, and then we had London lows, which were a potential target. We had Asian highs right above London highs, which was kind of nice. Ideally, I want to see Asian highs get taken out as well if we got into London, because I feel like that was a pretty strong draw to take out. But as you can see during the London session, we do come right into the Asian high and then start taking a shit to the downside. So there was hella news though during London, so that could be a reason why. But yeah, I mean, we came into here and then we take a little poo-poo and this was at 1:30, so yeah, there was news at 2:30 as well, and there's just news at 2:30. Yeah, this could have been either, but anyways, so we opened right below the London highs, so it was really looking really nice for shorts at market open. But what do you know, we got edged and we started moving to the downside. I thought news could help a little bit, but no, news didn't help at all. It just kept on pushing that downwards, so didn't really get anything to enter off of with this. No potential entries. Euro USD was literally the exact same thing. 4 hour was bearish, bro. Why is this so slow? 4 hour was bearish, closing below this low to the downside. We were in this fair value gap though, and we had not closed below it. So who knows? Maybe we could have been putting it here, which we did inverse now. So we are still bearish, but actually no. We do have this fair value gap. We could inverse too as well. So just have to see what happens. But anyways, going back to what I was saying, London highs and London lows pretty similar. Asian highs were a bit further away from the London highs. So yeah, that's something to note. Yeah, so we opened between London high and London lows. Ideally, you wanted to see a reaction off of the London high, but we didn't even get to the London high, so there's nothing to enter off of. So moving on to GBP/JPY, 4 hour was bearish again. Everything was bearish. So yeah, 4 hour was bearish, closing below this low. Ideally, looking for shorts. So we had London highs and Asian highs, really similar to GBP/USD. However, I'm not sure if the Asian highs actually got taken out. London lows were a prominent target for me. We tapped into it barely. Could have been a potential London trade, but this is way later, so maybe like an Asian, but I don't even know. This is just calm population. But we do end up coming into the London high. We like at market open, we were like at this point we're like, yo, this is gonna happen, but then we just end up shitting more, so didn't really see any potential of that. We do end up coming up with news helping a little bit, come up into here, and then we break structure to the downside. However, this was before the 8 a.m. news, so I didn't enter because it was at 7:30. So yeah, just freaking follow my plan and I'm chilling, bro. Like, there's no need to take a trade before news, because the smart money are sitting out. So what makes me think that I should be taking a trade as well? I shouldn't. So yeah, that is all for today. Maybe, who knows, maybe we'll find. Okay, so something I did good today was I came into the day like literally expecting nothing to happen, and that didn't cause me any emotional pain when trying to find a setup, because when I expected that nothing would happen and expected that I wasn't going to take a trade, I didn't get mad that I didn't take a trade, because my belief and my expectation, which is a belief on the future outcome, was fulfilled by the present, and that caused me not to have emotional pain. Exactly. Look at that, trading in the zone and best loser wins knowledge coming in handy. So yeah, so that's something I need to repeat. I need to make sure that bro, my computer is so nasty. I just need to make sure that I do not go into the day expecting to trade and expect that I'm not going to trade, because that didn't cause me any issues today, and I need to make sure that I continue to do that. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll go over my journal. I feel like I'm not sure if I'm being in depth enough with these, but advanced trade check-in. Yeah, so emotions, yeah, not really expecting anything today. Exactly, not really expecting anything. yeah, so I wasn't expecting. So this is the right mindset to be in. Not feeling much, feel dead as well, because I'm not looking for anything. This is the ideal mindset. Very good, very good. Motions after, I was a bit annoyed when price didn't move. When price didn't move, when news didn't move price in my direction that I wanted it to. So yeah, so what can I learn? Just go into every single day not expecting anything to happen. Otherwise, I will start tweaking, you know? Bro, my forehead is so cooked. Oh my bad. This should be the fun now, but yeah, bro. I'm trying to become YouTube famous, yo. Low key, that would be pretty fire, bro. I'm at 68 subscribers with my top viewed video at 80 views. 880. It's pretty fire, dude. I am also cooking up a video currently. This one is really fire. Like, I'm learning how to edit, like with zooming and stuff. And this is about gooning, so I'm
I don't know why I'm
like,
making it a big deal, but
when I just say I'm
anyways.
gooning. Like, look at this.
So I am a gooner.
I am a gooner. Like, wait, I feel like I need to
deal,
do that part.
Anyways. A big deal, but anyways. So I am a gooner.
Okay, I feel like I need to make that zoom in a bit closer, you know what I'm saying? How do I do that? Well, what I can do easily is just, so I am a gooner, like that, you know? Wait, I don't know. Let me just copy these, 1.390, 0.390, and then minus 201, green V, minus 201, and then minus 57, minus 57.
So I am a gooner. So I am a gooner. I beat my shit too much. How much you might ask? Probably once a day. Not twice a day often. But today I did twice a day. And now I'm mad. And now I'm pissed.
That shit's fine.
So I goon. I freaking goon. I take my hand and I put my hand on my dick like I'm gay. And then I rub my shit out because I look for self-pleasure. Because I'm freaking gay. Like what? That's freaking gay. And then
yeah, that shit's funny as fuck. I'm working on it though still. I'm working on that shit still. But yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. I need to go to sleep now. My YouTube is pretty fire. Subscribe, please. I don't know, I can't lie. Most of these recaps are just me like tweaking out now. But yeah, damn, this one he was 17. 8 years ago. Damn, bro. That's my age. Inshallah. Okay. How to actually be remember this, bro? Look, bro, TJR actually was chopped, bro. This guy actually had a great glow up. Not gonna lie, like no Diddy. This guy was the Chaz. This guy was the Chuz. Why did I say it like that? The Chuz. The Chuz. 68 subscribers, dude. Crazy work. Crazy work. Oh yeah, 1 view, 2 views, 7 views, 19 views. Isn't that crazy? 58 views. 58 views. Isn't that insane? 40 views. 80 views, bro. 80 views. Isn't that insane? Oh, 78. I got 2 subscribers from this video, bro. Isn't that insane? Okay, my fault. Bro, one day I'll be like a 1K views, 2K views, 10K views, 100K views. It'll be like that one day, and then 1 million views. It won't be 80 subscribers, it'll be 800 subscribers one day, then 8K subscribers, and then 80K subscribers, and then we'll be at 800K, and then we'll get at 8 million subscribers. Not good. But hey, who knows? But pretty nice if I could become YouTube famous. Then I get the huzz, because I don't got no huzz anymore. Where the hell's at, fam? Yeah, I kind of like the lighting is so much better in here. This is my hair cooked. Where the hell's, fam? Light skin. Okay, I don't say the N-word. I don't say the N-word, dude. Anyways, hope you have a good night. I'm gonna go to sleep now.